Good morning, children. Today's class, polynomials, class 10th. Get ready. Today, we'll discuss polynomials concept, division algorithm. Okay? Division algorithm. Suppose in our previous classes, 6th, 7th, 8th, or 3rd, 4th, 5th classes, if you divide some number 5, okay? The 27, if you divide it with 5, then what's the process you will do? Good. 5 5s are 25. 2 is the remainder. Okay. Now, here, I want to name these places. What is 27? 27 place. Alright. Dividend. 5 place. Divisor. This 5 place. Quotient and 2 place remainder. Alright? Then what is this 25 place? That is nothing but product. That is nothing but product. So, what is division algorithm? Division algorithm is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, that means 27 is equal to 5 into 5 plus, or else suppose if 30 7 table if you did. 7 5s are 35 and 5 is the remainder. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is division algorithm. We did for numbers. Now we are doing with algebraic expressions. That is nothing but polynomials. Okay. Now we will do one example. Divide the polynomial p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. By the polynomial g of x is equal to x square minus 1. And we need to find out what is quotient and the remainder. So, as per the division procedure, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, we need to divide with x square minus 2. This is dividend and this is quotient. We need to divide. So, for that, the procedure is, here what is the highest one? X cube. Here what is the highest one? X square. You need to divide these two first. And this is not your rough work. Okay, I am doing of course the rough hand side, but it is not rough work. That is x cube by x square. What is that? X cube by x square. Now x cube by x square is x, and you need to multiply with x square minus 2 into x. Okay? Now multiply x cube minus 2x. So write the like terms, and the quotient is x. Like terms x cube minus 2x. Now, under subtraction, symbols will change. Plus x cube minus x cube cancel. Now, 3x square, 5 plus 2, 7x minus 3. Now again, minus 3x square by x square. First by first. Minus 3x square by x square. That is nothing but minus 3. X square minus 2 into minus 3. So minus 3x square minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. So how many times? Minus 3 times. Minus 3x square plus 6. Under subtraction, symbols will change. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. 7x minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. So quotient is x minus 3, remainder is 7x minus 9. Okay, you got the quotient is x power 1, x minus 3, x power 1, because a cubic polynomial is divided by quadratic polynomial x cubed by x square, that is x power 1. You got a linear polynomial. And when you divide with quadratic polynomial, that is 2, you will get the possibility chances of remainder either linear polynomial or constant polynomial. And of course, zero polynomial. Zero polynomial means you will get the answer 0. When you will get the answer 0, that is if divisor is a factor of dividend, then you will get answer 0. We will try one example. Now, divide the polynomial p of t. Polynomial is not only in terms of x, any variable we can use. X, Y, Z or T or A, B, C, whatever the variable we can use. P of t is equal to 2t to the power of 4 plus 3t cubed minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Divide by the other polynomial t square minus 3. T square minus 3 and divide. So always the first step is the same, t power 4 by t square. And before going to divide a polynomial, you have to check whether it is there in descending order or not. That means power 4, power 3, power 2, power 1, there is nothing, constant. It should be in this order. If it is not followed the order, you should jumble and you should make it in order. And one more thing, if anything is missed in between, suppose t power 4 is there, t cube term is not given, t square is given, imagine, then in this place you need to keep 0. Okay, if order should follow, if any missing term is there, you place 0. Okay, now first term by first term. That is nothing but, and I am telling once again, this is not rough work. It's a part of solution. 2t to the power of 4 by t square. So 2t square. Now I should multiply this. T square minus 3 into 2t square. 2t to the power of 4. 2 3s are 6 t square. So the first term in quotient is 2t square. 2t to the power of 4 minus 6t square. Under subtraction, symbols will change. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. 3t cube minus 2 plus 6 plus 4t square minus 9t minus 12. 3t cube minus 2 plus 6 plus 4t square minus 9t minus 12. Now next step, 3t cube by t square. Okay, 3t cube by t square. That is nothing but 3t. Multiply t square minus 3 into 3t. 3t cube minus 3 3s are 9t. Okay, what is the quotient? Plus 3t cube minus 9. Under subtraction, symbols will change. Plus 3 minus 3, minus 9 plus 9. Now what is left? 4t square minus 12. Again first by first. 4t square by t square. 4t square by t square. That is nothing but 4. So t square minus 3 into 4. 4t square minus 4 3s are 12. So 4t square minus 12. Under subtraction, symbols are changed. It is 0. Now, what is my quotient? 2t square plus 3t plus 4. What is the remainder? 0. So, if I divided with a biquadratic polynomial with the quadratic polynomial, Here degree is 4, biquadratic polynomial. With the degree is 2, quadratic polynomial. Then I got here quadratic polynomial. Then the remainder can be less than 1 degree of the divisor. That means 2 is the here degree. It can come either 1, that is linear polynomial, or constant polynomial, or 0. Okay, here t plus something may come, or only number can come, or else 0 can come. Now in this particular question we got 0. That means here remainder is 0. When you will get remainder 0, the quotient is a factor of the remainder is that is divisor is a factor of dividend. Divisor is factor of dividend. That's why we got the remainder is 0. Now we will discuss a different example. Obtain all the zeros of the polynomial x to the power of 4. So degree of the polynomial is 4. So number of zeros are 4. Obtain all the zeros. That means now your duty is you should find out all the zeros. If two of its zeros are root 3 and minus root 3. Above 4, two zeros are given to you. So you need to find out the other two zeros. Okay? Because the degree is 4, obtain all the zeros. That means number of zeros are 4. Among 4 zeros, 2 zeros are given. That is root 3 and minus root 3. You need to find out the other 2 zeros. Zeros is nothing but if you take x value as root 3 and x value as minus root 3, you will get remainder 0. That means plus root 3 come to this side, minus root 3. I am making my quotient, that is x plus root 3. Okay, x is equal to root 3 and x is equal to minus root 3. That means plus root 3 come to this side, minus root 3. Minus root 3 come to this side, plus root 3. Okay, now I am making my divisor g of x is equal to, okay, alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta, or a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So g of x is equal to x square minus 3. This is my quotient. I should divide with this. X square minus 3, x power 4, minus 3x cubed minus x square plus 9x minus 6. Always first by first, x power 4 by x square. X power 4 by x square. That is nothing but x square. I should multiply x square minus 3 into x square. X power 4 minus 3x square. So x power 4. And I should write here because it is x square term. Like terms, this is x cube. Below the x square only I should write. Now, symbols are changed. Because under subtraction, symbols will change. Plus x power 4 minus x power 4 cancel. So, minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 9x minus 6. And the first term in quotient is x square. Now, again first by first, but minus 3x cube by x square, minus 3x, x square minus 3 into minus 3x, minus 3x cube, minus into minus, plus 3 3s are 9x. So, minus 3x, minus 3x cube, plus 9x. Again, under subtraction, symbols will change. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Plus 9 minus 9 cancel. So 2x square minus 6. Now again first by first. So that is nothing but 2x square by x square. That is 2. X square minus 3 into 2. 2x square minus 2 3s are 6. 2x square minus 6. Then it is minus. It is plus. Remainder is 0. Why we got remainder is 0? Because we already know x square minus 3 is a zeros of the polynomial. That means it's a factor. We got 0. And we got the quotient is x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay? what I got the quotient? Quotient is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. If I factorize this, 1 2s are 2, x square minus 1x minus 2x plus 2. So, x common, x minus 1, minus 2 common, x minus 1. We are telling, we are making them 0, equal to 0. Zeros of the polynomial. So, x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. We got x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. And here the zeros are given, x is equal to root 3 and x is equal to minus root 3. Therefore, zeros are, okay, 1, 2, root 3 and minus root 3. So total 4 zeros came because it's a biquadratic polynomial. Okay. Now we'll do one more example. Obtain all the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x power 4. So biquadratic polynomial. And 2 of its zeros are given. Zeros are 2 plus or minus root 3. That means x values are 2 plus root 3 or 2 minus root 3. One zero is 2 plus root 3 and other zero is 2 minus root 3. So I should find out now my quotient. Plus 2. Come to this side. Minus 2. Plus or minus root 3. Squaring on both sides. X minus 2 whole square plus or minus root 3 whole square. So this is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 3. So x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3 equal to 0. So my g of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 1. With this polynomial, I should divide x square minus 4x plus 1. X to the power of 4 minus 6x cubed minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. So first is first, that is x power 4 by x square. X power 4 by x square. That is x square. I should multiply this. X square minus 4x plus 1 into x square. X power 4, 4x cubed plus x square. So the first term in quotient is x square. X power 4 minus 4x cubed plus x square. Under subtraction, symbols will change. Minus plus minus cancel. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2x cubed minus 26 here nothing means 1 minus 27x square plus 138x minus 35 minus 2x cubed by x square. So minus 2x. X power x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 2x minus 2x cubed plus 8x square minus 2x. So minus 2x minus 2x cubed plus 8x square minus 2x. Under subtraction, symbols will change. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Minus 27 minus 8. Right? Minus 35 plus 140 minus 35. First by first. Minus 35x square by x square. Minus 35. So x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 35 minus 35x square. 4 35s. 140x minus 35. So it is minus 35 minus 35x square plus 140x minus 35. Under subtraction, symbols will change. Everything cancelled and I got 0. because it is a factor. That's why I got 0. Obtain all the zeros. X power 4. 4 zeros will come. Already 2 zeros are given. Other 2 zeros you should find out from coefficient. What is coefficient? X square minus 2x minus 35. 1 into 35 minus 35. 7 5s are 35. Here minus is there. So x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. Make it 0. X common. X minus 7. 5 common. X minus 7. So x minus 7 into x plus 5. So x values are 7 and x value is minus 5. Therefore, zeros are, okay, zeros are 7, comma, minus 5, comma, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. So these are all the 4 zeros. Okay. Now, by observing this class, you can complete the 4th exercise from SCHAN and 3rd exercise from NCERT. You can complete and submit books for correction.